Holy moly, the popcorn's getting stale.
No, that was part of the script. Fillmore, I hate fat kids. Oh, sorry. Did you know the story of Fillmore? Tell him. I couldn't. Well, it all started when Fillmore was a rock. You see, when sediments pile up on top of rocks, the rocks enlarges so as more and more sediments attached to Fillmore, the more he grew. Fillmore loved his life. Winter brought sparkling snow, spring brought fluffy animals, while summer and fall brought happy campers to the woods. La 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 la. Until that one winter, when in Fillmore's old age, when the water broke it. Okay. Yay! Winter. Time for sparkling snow. But it's so cold. When the water seeps into the cracks of rocks during cold weather, the water will freeze and expand, causing chunks to break off the rock. This is called expansion weathering. There's something inside me. This is why he's in chunks, because he's going to like fall apart. Like, kind of like. Oh, watch it.
No, I'm explaining to
I'm explaining to the audience. It broke! Now that was not screws. Oh my god, he's recording this!